And slick and multi-dimensional, if you will, three-sided screens on the premium version. This is the S6 and the S6 Edge. It's an extension or an overhaul, really, of the premium Galaxy smartphone, one that's proven so popular, and Angie really paved the way for that bigger screen. These will have a 5.1-inch screen. New features, of course, like mobile payment software. That's a big thing. Samsung Pay is its foray into this area, and it's a huge, huge area. We know that Apple has been very aggressive here. Samsung, launching this service this fall in the U.S. and South Korea, has already partnered with MasterCard, among others. So it's really seeking to ramp up in that area. And the new phone, from design to technical experts, I was reading some of the blogs this morning, they're very optimistic, enthusiastic, if you will. They can't wait to get their hands on it. Let's listen into what one of the European executives had to say at the Mobile World Congress, where all of these product unveils are happening.
2014 has been the year where we took a look at the market and streamlined our portfolio. So you could have witnessed this with all other devices we've launched this year, which are better fit, better matching the customer expectation, the A series that we launched a couple of months ago, and now the S6, which is setting the bar a step higher. This is obviously a very, very important phone for us, and we're very confident.
So you can pick up your S6 on April 10th. It goes on sale worldwide, 20 markets, and then, of course, expanding globally, Angie.
Well, investors liking that. Korea, heavily weighted stock. Samsung up more than 2% right now. Okay, what about HTC here?
Yes.
Virtual reality challenge to Sony. What's this all about?
So we traditionally think of HTC as a smartphone maker. At one point, it was the biggest #1 smartphone maker in the U.S., but it's fallen on hard times, if you will, in terms of sales. So it's expanding its business line, looking into virtual reality. And as we've been speaking to analysts, they say HTC wants to be an early entrant in this virtual reality market. And to that accord, it's teamed up with the maker of the Steam gaming platform. I have to educate myself on this, Angie, to develop a virtual reality headset. Now, Facebook, with its purchase of Oculus last year, and Sony with its Project Morpheus are the other big players. So HTC taking on some big names in the industry. And ultimately, if this is successful, the HTC Vive will allow you to download and stream Grand Theft Auto, Call of Duty, and a whole host of other games in virtual reality.
Lots of news coming out of the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Thanks so much for that, Zeb.